Hey guys, Jason Graneman here. It's not about having the most attractive content or setting up the most, professional look of everything. You're not producing, an award-winning TV show here. You're talking about yourself, and you're talking about what you offer and who you are and what your company does, what you do for other people. I mean, it's the whole story. Bottom line to it all is repetition. It's got to be part of your rhythm in your company. It's got to be a part of what you're doing daily to promote or expose the habits of who you are, what you stand for, what you believe in, how your company functions, why you do what you do. I mean, it's the whole story. Too many people want to hold back, or they don't want to get in front of the camera. They're afraid of exposing who they really are. Well, guess what? That's what people are interested in. And I don't mean you have to go in and dive into your personal secrets, but when it comes to how you do business, it's very personal these days. And so keep that in mind. Why and how you do what you do is everything. The product that you offer at the end of the scope of what you do is the last, most insignificant piece of the story. People know what you do just by looking at your profile or what your business card says, but they're more interested in how you get there and why you do it. So keep in mind, repetition and story is what people are truly, truly interested in. Anyway, hope you're having a great day. Jason Graneman. It's not work, it's a lifestyle. #Winston. Epic French Bulldog. Peace.